Hello everyone, it's Patrick from Pile of Code, and I'm just going to do a quick tutorial here on the difference between .java and .class files for our Java tutorials, because it can be a little bit confusing sometimes. So let's just take a look at this little image here that I've created. What we start off with is our Java source code, which is our .java files. This contains all the code that we've written for our programs and our software, all the different packages. And what this code does is that when you take this .java file, or multiple of these .java files and packages, you hand it to the Java compiler. The Java compiler in the end is going to give you Java bytecode. Now this Java bytecode is in the form of a .class file. It's not easily readable, and you actually can't get any information out of it that's useful. And with this Java bytecode, what's going to happen is, now that you have this Java bytecode, you can run it on that platform. Because the point of this is we could take this Java source code, and I could give it to the compiler on my Mac, and run the same Java bytecode on my Mac, and it would work all the way and I'd get my output. What I can't do is I can't take my Java bytecode, so my .class files, and throw them on, let's say, an Android phone and have it work just the same way. It doesn't work that way. What we would need to do is we need to take our .java file, and we would need to put that on the Android device, then have that compiled on the Android device, and then take that Java bytecode and run through and get the output. So that's why this works, because once we have this bytecode, we hand it to the Java bytecode compiler. The compiler turns it into machine code, which then gets run on our machine, which is great. But what we need to know is that just how the process runs through from our source code all the way down through our output, that this is a two-step process. This has to be compiled twice, right here and right here, to get our code to function well and to run on the machine. So as long as you understand this, if you have any questions, just post it on the comments on either our page for this tutorial or our YouTube video, and I'll try and get back to you guys soon. Subscribe and stay tuned for more videos about Java tutorials and other things like application reviews and our Python 3 tutorial videos.